Journey through mixed tenses, mastering reported commands and requests. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to today's tutorial where we're going to unravel the complexities of reporting commands and requests in mixed reporting. We'll focus on the rules, so by the end of this video, you'll be much more confident in using reported speech with mixed tenses. Let's get started. Before we dive into the rules, let's ensure we're all on the same page regarding mixed tenses in reported speech. Mixed tenses happen when the main verb of the reporting speech is in the past, but we use the present tense in the reported speech clause. This usually happens when the reported information is still true or relevant at the time of reporting. For example, Sarah said, "I am a teacher." Sarah said that she is a teacher. The reported speech remains in the present tense as Sarah is still a teacher. Now let's focus on reporting commands. In mixed reporting, if the reported command is still relevant at the time of reporting, we typically keep the command verb, in the infinitive form, in the present tense. Let's look at an example. The officer ordered, "Stand up." The officer ordered us to stand up. Even though the reporting verb, ordered, is in the past tense, to stand is in the present tense because the command remains valid at the moment of reporting. When reporting requests, the same principle applies. If the reported request is still relevant, we keep the verb in the present tense. Here's an example. My mother requested, "Please, wash the dishes." My mother requested that we wash the dishes. The verb, wash, remains in the present tense since the request is still valid when being reported. And there we have it. You've just learned how to report commands and requests using mixed tenses. The key point to remember is that if the command or request is still relevant at the time of reporting, we often keep the verb in the present tense. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the maze of English grammar. Keep practicing and remember, every little step brings you closer to mastery. Until our next grammar adventure, happy learning!